Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video we will figure out why you shouldn't throw away eggshells, why you should mix them with dish soap, and how you can use the resulting mixture. Both raw and boiled eggs are suitable for this tip. Break the egg or peel it, use the egg as intended, and do the following with the shell. First, it needs to be washed well. It is also necessary to remove the inner film. This can be done either when the egg is still fresh or when it dries. It comes off very easily. Next, the shell needs to be allowed to dry. Pat it dry with a paper towel and leave it to dry. I usually leave the shell overnight and remove the inner film the next day. This is what eggshells should be like: dry and without films. Now I take cling film, pour eggshells on it, cover with the other half of the film and grind. By the way, we need shells from about 3 eggs. Here I want to draw your attention to several important points. You do not need to grind the shell in a blender, because after such a procedure a huge number of scratches will remain in the cup. It is also better not to use an electric meat grinder or coffee grinder. The easiest way is to use a hammer, as I do, but the best way is to use a stone mortar if you have one. With its help, you will grind the shell very quickly. I pour the crushed shells into a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of dish soap. Then I mix everything well. And this is the mixture we get. Eggshells are the perfect abrasive, and when combined with dish soap, you have a great cleaning agent. You can use it to clean kitchen surfaces from grease. This can be tiles, wooden cabinets, an oven. Just be sure to test the product on an inconspicuous area before cleaning and make sure that no scratches remain on the surface. You can also use this product to clean pots inside and outside, and frying pans. For frying pans, use it only to clean the bottom of the pan from carbon deposits. This is an effective way to clean grease and carbon deposits by mixing dish soap with eggshells. I hope you liked this advice. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.